samples show consistent density.
Good, the live data confirms the preliminary findings.
Slow, watch that east side clearance. Roger that. Moving in 3, 2.
Steady on the left.
Bring it down 20 feet.
Watch the clearance on your side.
Vibrator steady on the left side. All right, increasing the flow now.
Okay, snap that coupling in place. Secured. Hold it steady right there. Yeah.
Locking clamps now. Secure the brace. Okay, pull back slowly. We need more flow on this side.
We've got a sharp increase on the flow meter. Adjusting the coolant pressure now. That aligned on your end.
Almost, hold it steady.
Secured.
Moving, steady flow. All right, vibrate that section now, move it over.
All jacks synchronized. Beginning ascent now.
Copy that. Monitoring pressure. Bring it down slow, watch that east corner. Holding steady, setting it now.
Watch your step, moving back. Clear. Keep that flow steady. Coming, push it to the left. Watch that edge, make sure it's level.
The pressure is low on sector 4.
Adjust the main valve up 20%.
Things are stabilizing now that we've adjusted the supports.
Good, let's start the next sequence.
Pull that line tighter. Tensioning cable 7 now. Check the tension on your end.
Move the vertical grid up 5 meters.
Initiating trace. Speed is nominal.
Data acquisition stable.
Clear the deck. Load coming in. Materials received. Moving to staging area.
Coming in.
All right, set it down easy. Lowering slowly. Watch the east side.
Looks good. Lock it in.
Stabilized after the last adjustment.
Confirmed. Power output is now within optimized
Bring it up
parameters.
slowly.
Guide it to the left platform.
We need more flow over here.
All right, bringing it up.
We need to adjust the timing for the third phase based on this wind data.
Updating the trajectory now. Confirmed. The flow remains seamless.
Move it. Coming through, clear the area. Watch your hands on that side.
Easy down, watch the left side.
Holding steady.
Confirmed alignment, set it.
Lock onto reference points. Data confirms elevation. Motion continues without pause. Initial stress test results are positive. Look at the stabilization data.
Agreed. We can proceed to the next phase.
Take it up.
Watch the angle, keep it steady. Clear the area below. Almost there, bring it left. Locked in.
Duct sections glide into position. Hangars lock smoothly. Airflow infrastructure forms continuously.
The laser alignment on Sector 4.
Looks good. Locking sequence initiated.
Green status across all primary motors. Descent rate is steady at 0.5 meters per second.
Lift it up. Ready. And set it down now. Move it slightly to the right.
Sensors snap up into place. Data appearance spreads through the building. Update in real time. Systems activate in sequence. Testing flows without interruption. Inspectors move room to room. Notes update instantly. Approval progresses steadily.
It's remarkable how quickly they finish this space.
Yes, and the systems are operating flawlessly. We should be settled in by next week.
Engaging across Sector 3. Stand by for stabilization. Systems transitioning.
propagate across dashboards. Zones confirm one by one. Integration remains continuous.
Stabilizing now.
Pressure reading confirmed. Holding steady.
Readings adjust in real time. Dampers modulate smoothly. Comfort systems stabilize continuously. Samples move station to station. Testing remains fluid. Graphs animate live. Set points synchronize. The building becomes intelligent.
Endurance is confirmed.
Continue the descent smoothly.
Activate. Data streams begin. Monitoring goes live.
Complete section by section. Facade is certified.
Feeds populate screens. Doors cycle smoothly. Security synchronizes.
Briefing complete. You know your roles and the targets. Disperse to...
Welcome. Please proceed through the turnstile.
Thank you.
Have a...
Available scanning point, please.
Tickets ready, thank you. Next.
$9.99. Insert your card, please.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Next customer over here.
Checks complete without disruption. Operations continue seamlessly.
Graphs are stabilizing.
Efficiency metrics are exceeding projections.
Updates live. Preparedness remains constant. Streams remain stable. Monitoring never stops. Handoffs complete smoothly. Operations remain uninterrupted. Metrics update live. Optimization continues.
Flows adapt smoothly. Systems scale effortlessly.
Checks pass rapidly. Normal operations resume. Flows accelerate smoothly. Bottlenecks dissolve. Launching final sequence diagnostic. Status check sector gamma.
Checks complete. Systems report nominal stabilization.
Loads taper smoothly. Efficiency persists. Scrolls calmly.
The project's scale resonates.
And so the city continues its endless dance, a testament to enduring motion.